What's going on, YouTube? We are back out again. I want to do a little ripping today with the 5-inch, so we are out at the school. It is pretty windy today, but I don't really give a shit. We're gonna see how she handles. So let's get ready, YouTube. Let's go. Alright, another drained battery, another great flight. We caught some of that train. That was pretty fucking cool. Let's load up another pack and get some more ripping. And yeah, that battery is not as bad as the first one. So until next time, YouTube, have a great day and peace.